The Tale of Elegba and the Path of Ifa. In the ancient land of Inle Eni Ifa, there lived a young man named Elegba, the son of Awo Omonifa, a revered and powerful Ifa priest. On his deathbed, Elegba's father called him close and said, "My son, my time has come. The path of Ifa is your destiny and salvation. Hold fast to this wisdom, for it is the only light that will guide you through life." After his father passed away, Elegba was left alone. Life became a series of hardships and endless wandering. Without guidance or stability, he roamed from place to place, searching for peace but finding none. Elegba's plea to Obatala. One day, consumed by despair, Elegba knelt before Obatala, the wise and compassionate Orisha of purity and creation. "Great Father," Elegba cried, "why must my life be filled with suffering and unrest? Why is there no peace for me in this world?" Moved by Elegba's plea, Obatala blessed him and said, "Your father's wisdom is within you, waiting to be awakened. Seek out Orunmila, for through him you will honor your father's spirit and find your rightful path in Ifa." The Council of Orunmila. Obeying Obatala's guidance, Elegba sought Orunmila, the master of divination and wisdom. Orunmila welcomed him, fed the spirit of Elegba's father with a white rooster, a kuko funfun, and performed sacred divinations. "Elegba," said Orunmila, "Ifa is your only path to peace and stability. You must be consecrated in its mysteries." During his initiation, Elegba received a sacred Agboran, a spiritual vessel prepared with materials of profound power. It was dressed in mariwo, palm fronds, and kept alongside his Ifa, symbolizing his new beginning. Rejection and wandering. Despite his initiation, Elegba faced rejection from his people. They neither accepted nor respected him, casting him out. Alone once more, he wandered the lands, burdened by loneliness and sorrow. In his despair, he remembered a sacred chant his father had taught him. "Egun belekun, loma belekun lona, egun baba moa nifa belekun lona, omo awa omo nifa mosegiri, egun iku belekun lona." As he recited the prayer, the spirit of his father appeared. "My son," the spirit said, "take 2 quails and follow the path where you will meet Shango. There, you will find the strength you seek." The encounter with Shango Elegba obeyed and set out, singing as he walked. "Baba Tenifa, Shango Omo Nifa, Awo Omo Nibewa Olofin." His journey led him to a field of orosun and calabash plants, where he encountered Shango, the mighty Orisha of fire and power. "Elegba," said Shango, "I know you through Orunmila. You are destined for greatness. Never forget your father's spirit or the path of Ifa, for they will bring you the respect and stability you deserve." Shango accepted the quails Elegba offered and entrusted him with a sacred object, the Oshe Osi Omonifa, a powerful and mystical tool consecrated alongside Orunmila, Ozain, and Egun. Shango instructed Elegba to feed it, dress it in palm fronds, and keep it hidden until it was needed for a great ritual. Elegba's transformation. With the guidance of Shango and the blessings of Orunmila, Elegba finally found stability and purpose. He became a respected figure, carrying forward the legacy of his father. Through his trials, Elegba learned that the path of Ifa requires faith, perseverance, and reverence for ancestral wisdom. And so, Elegba's name became synonymous with resilience and devotion, a testament to the transformative power of Ifa and the enduring strength of the human spirit. Key themes, expanded analysis, and elaboration ancestral guidance. Elegba's journey highlights the critical role of ancestral spirits in guiding descendants toward their destiny. His father's spirit remains a beacon of wisdom and strength throughout his trials. Initiation into power. The consecration process represents a spiritual rebirth. The rituals and charged objects, such as the Agboran and Oshe Osi Omonifa, symbolize the empowerment that comes from embracing sacred traditions. Struggle and perseverance. Despite facing rejection and immense hardships, Elegba perseveres. His journey underscores the importance of reconnecting with one's roots and honoring the legacy of one's ancestors to overcome adversity. Divine relationships. The harmonious collaboration of Shango, Orunmila, and Obatala in guiding Elegba reflects the unity among the Orishas. This divine synergy emphasizes the interconnectedness of spiritual forces in shaping human destinies. Elegba's story serves as a timeless reminder of the power of faith, resilience, and the sacred bond between the living and the divine.